Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule your Instagram post. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to go ahead and start creating a brand new post by hitting the plus sign in the lower center of the screen. Let's pick our post over here. In our example, let's pick this one over here. Press next. So in this particular example, we can essentially edit the contrast, make it to look more like the matrix, right? Then we can press next, add title, caption, description. With the recent updates on Instagram and Meta platforms, guys, I've seen that the majority of the popular and more viral posts does not actually have hashtags. You can do this on your own, but even the sponsored post through the Instagram feed, you will see that they don't have hashtags. So maybe this is something that you want to test and consider. After finishing with the metadata, you want to scroll down, include tags, location, music, and when you're actually ready to share your post, all you gotta do is to click Advanced Settings, the last option over here. Then you will see a section that is called Schedule this post, the first option. You want to click on it. Then you will have a pop-up menu which will let you to choose a day, time of the day, which is AM or PM, that you want to schedule your post for, okay? Essentially all you gotta do is to scroll up or down through these different sections, and when you're ready, just hit done. As you can see over here, we have our post scheduled for Wednesday on January 17th at 9 a.m. Very easy guys, very simple. If you want to cancel this, all you gotta do is to click again on the button and turn this off. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.